South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. The current time is 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KC56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Tarrant County in north central Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Keller and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keller, Southlink, Polyville, North Richmond Hills and Westlink. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.